Did you know that data analysts are highly demanded across all industries like finance, government and education? All you need to begin working as a data analyst is an accredited qualification. So look no further than this Data Analyst Management for Beginners course from Global EduLink. Gain an accredited UK online qualification and develop your skills. The course is suitable for all experience levels and will give you a detailed overview of data and analytics. Understand approaches to data, graphics, the management of algorithms, and gain problem-solving skills during this exciting online course. Entry-level data analyst salaries range between £24,000 and £25,000, and with experience this could increase to as much as £35,000. That's not all. While studying with Global EduLink, you'll enjoy eligibility for an NUS Extra discount card, excellent customer service, tutor support, and a user-friendly online learning portal. So join now and become a highly skilled professional.